Potential potential may expose diretso nga problema. Dahil yung household survey. At the pattern nakita mi. Hindi nag-conduct the survey in 2023 or 2 years ago. How do you get introduced into drugs? One is curiosity. And then another is peer pressure. Peer pressure. Can at the reward pattern, well, DJ age of exposure to illegal drugs. Most of the surveyed people, nangurugi na the age 20, 21 years. And then, nagtultulo, hingga ng 41, 42 years. So, then, nagdagyan dumaan, tutuloy naman. Anyway, so, and then there is a pattern. The pattern is, nangrugi na iti, wala, sigarilyo. Big sigarilyo. Tapos, and then, alcohol. After sigarilyo, alcohol. And then, they get illegal drugs. So, tapos, they get by peer pressure. Kaya naduma-duma mga factors pa eh, family and everything. So, DJ, dapat ikong kitain na nalay. Kami, DJ, tao, naging adik o naging involved in illegal.